What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And in today's video, I'm about to show you how to look classy and like get revenge on your ex by just looking good. You know what I'm saying? You just looking good. You coming to the party looking real sophisticated. He over there messing with the hoes. You just looking like a whole wife, a whole meal, a whole entree, a whole 4 for 4 at Wendy's. You feel me? Like, girl. Yo, so if you guys want to see how I got my face and my hair to look like this, then definitely keep on watching. So my hair is like partially done. I got it installed by my girl Jada. She's my hairstylist. She makes all my wigs. Like every single one that you see, she makes them. So she made it and installed it for me. She did like the bald cap method, but for closure. So she literally just put it like right in the center where the closure was, and then laid it with my bold hold glue. Yeah, because that glue is like actually lit. Once I got the hang of using it, I was like, oh, okay, that's how you're supposed to use it. Okay. And yeah, I really like that glue. It's nice. It's really nice. I'll probably insert a clip like right now so you guys can see a little bit of what she did. To move on to my face portion. I got a little breakout right here because Mother Nature came. She said, hello, how are you doing? What's your name? What's your number? But nah, for real, she came in and did some things. She disturbed my face. Yeah, this is how my face is looking right now, but we're about to beat this joint because we gotta look fly. So I already moisturized my face with the blue Lotus moisturizing balancing moisturizer, whatever it's called. This right here, y'all see it? Moisturize with this, and now I am going to prime. My face is like so annoying right now. It's like see-through. Can you guys see like the little veins? I need some water. That's what that means. I haven't drunk water all day for real. I'm about to prime my face with my favorite. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I don't need too much. Like that's like too much. Just gonna spread that out. If you have not seen my like get lit with me, get ready with me, I am going to link it so you guys can have a great, day. Because if you're watching this video, either you just like watching my videos or you really trying to stunt on your ex, And I feel you because I was there. At one point in my life, I was there. I wanted to look good. I had to wear the tightest pants that I had so my booty could look good. Look like a little apple, like a little peach. So this is the Covergirl TruBlend. No, Covergirl Base Business TruBlend. Something like that. Y'all, I'm going to put it in the description box below. Like the way I put all my stuff down there is from what I first used to last thing I use. So it's in order. I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. Make sure my skin is real smooth, real buttery. Okay, so I picked up the D10, but I'm probably, I think I have, no, I don't have a D10 over there. I'm gonna try D10. I'm gonna see how it looks, because I feel like it was good. I tried it on the store, and it was a little bit darker, but I feel like once I put my concealer on and stuff, it'll be Gucci. It's so cute. So you guys know I love my other one. This is real dirty right now, but this by Real Techniques. This one is by Sonia Kashuk, and this string is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna add some of T60 because it is a little dark for my face. I may have to take it back because now that I have it all over my face, it's like, oh, oompa loompa hoo. Oompa loompa doopa dee dee. So now I am going to brighten up under my eyes and my face, highlight everywhere so that we can really like be snatched. Can't be looking like a poopette, especially when your ex is about to be around, girl. Alright, so now I'm gonna take like the pointed end of the sponge and just go ahead and blend this bad boy out. Blend this bad boy out. Actually, like, bruh, if you have not worn makeup and like now you're wearing makeup and you know you're gonna see your ex, please stunt on him for me. So I'm definitely thinking I need to be a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna add some of my Makeup Revolution, just a little bit, because this stuff gets bright as crap. Alright, so I'm gonna contour my face. I'm gonna cream contour first. I actually want to use this brush. I really like this brush. This is the MOTD Lightning Crew brush. It's dirty right now because I've been using it to cream contour, and I wasn't gonna use it because y'all be like trying to go on me, but it's really nice, so I'm just gonna use it again. Sometimes I just like it, my contour to be like subtle and cute, like a baby. So I want it to be. I want it to be very cute and very like he wants to kiss me, but oh, don't, because I got a new nigga. Ooh. I got a new nigga. Okay, I'm gonna blend out under my eyes because I have little bags under my eyes, and yeah, we're not trying to set creases, you know? You want to set a nice even concealer. All right, so I'm taking some of my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and just placing this under my eye. I'm really like patting that there so I can really set that area. And I come up my nose just a little bit. Yes, sis. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry if that was loud, but it just looks so good. And then I just want to wipe away the setting powder under my like contour because I don't want it to be like that weird, you know, like powder light. That just looks so weird to me. And then I'm gonna take Half Hearted from Makeup Geek and just go in and set my contour areas. Ooh, it's something about when you put some brows on, stuff just started looking better. Ooh. I am about to use this freaking palette, y'all. I'm so freaking hyped. But I show you how cute it is. I've used it before, and these shimmers, y'all, are so amazing. Like, they're so freaking amazing. All right, so I'm gonna take this color right here, this one and this one. I'm gonna take both of these and use that as my transition color. All right, so let's just pop that right on my lid first, and then I'm going to like work it up. I'm gonna take this color called Dystopian And I'm using like a eyeshadow packing brush, and I am going to pack this all over my lid. So I'm taking some of the glitter glue by NYX, and I'm just going to like brush this on my lid going up. And now I'm just taking some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter and just packing some of that on there. So I'm gonna let this dry real quick, but while that dries, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to take some of the color called Birch. I'm gonna put this under my eye. Pretty much just adding that color there because I just want, you know, some color to be down there. I don't want it to just be plain. I'm gonna take some of the brown, that dark brown, and just put it right over top of it. Alright, so I'm gonna take my liquid liner by theBalm. I'm just gonna line my eyes, like nothing fancy because we don't wanna give them too much. Okay, so I'm gonna take, I just got this highlighter. It's from Laura Geller. It's the Gilded Honey. I'm just gonna add a little bit of highlight to my face, like not too much. I ain't trying to blind him, like I ain't trying to get a lawsuit because I just blinded your man's, but I'm trying to glow. I'm gonna take my matte Cork lip liner and just line my lips with this. So my face is pretty much done. I am going to take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray and just set my whole face.
I just wanna be a diamond, babe. Guaranteed to be a problem. Every time I get around you, babe, I just want you to need me. You might really wanna try me, babe.
Alright, you all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the gang. And follow me on my Instagram at naturally.sunny. I would love to have you over there or whatever. Also, if you guys want to get this hair, it'll be in the description box below. It is a nice deep wave hair. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.